Hey guys, it's Faye. In today's video I've got a skincare slash beauty haul for you guys. I didn't go too overboard this time. This is a box. All the things are pretty much from ASOS. I think maybe one thing's from Boots. I did say I was gonna come back and film a beauty haul for you guys, and here it is. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's get into opening all the goodies. Okay, so I'm a bit confused. This is what the package looks like, and I feel like it's less things than I bought, but let's open it and let's see, because I've not really bought skincare products from ASOS before, so it might all be in there, but it also might not. So let's just have a look. First things first, I decided to pick up a new serum. My hyaluronic acid is currently finished, and I just thought, let me try out this polyglutamic acid serum from the Inkeylist. I've seen positive things about this serum, and it pretty much does similar things to hyaluronic acid. I've been using hyaluronic acid for well over a year now, so I just thought, let me try out this. It's meant to be better, but I'm gonna be the judge of that. So I picked this up. This was one of the first things. It's in this little bottle here. It's a 30 ml that you get in here. I might just do a patch test right now so that I can use it tomorrow. It seems a bit thick for a serum. Well, it's definitely different to hyaluronic acid, but I'm just going to put it on my arm right here. I'm just going to test it out so that I can use it sometime soon, probably at the weekend. But yeah, that was the first item that I picked up. The next product that I decided to pick up was this concealer from NYX. It's the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and it's in the shade Sand, I believe. I needed a new concealer. To be fair, I've just been using the LA Girl Pro Concealer for the longest time, and I wanted to switch it up, and I wanted to get like a proper concealer that was a better shade, because I feel like my skin tone has changed and it just wasn't doing it anymore. So I picked this one up, and you get quite a bit in here. I bought all of these in the Black Friday sale, so to be fair, the prices might vary, but this is the shade. This is what it looks like on camera. It's probably coming off a lot lighter than it actually is. So yeah, this is one of the other things I picked up. Talking about products that I needed to get, I also needed to get another primer. I was spending a lot of time looking around for a primer to get, and then I ended up just getting this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. You get 22 mils in here. This is what it looks like. I think they changed their packaging because it looks completely different to the one that I picked up from the website. But yeah, it's just this. I needed a new primer, one that just was gonna suit my skin. Hopefully it'll be good and it will be nice for me. I also picked up this brow lift from e.l.f. and it's just like their transparent clear brow gel. I got this one, and there is 8.8 grams in here. To go with the brow gel, I also got this brow applicator. This was pretty cheap. It was like £3 or £4. It's just like got a spoolie on one end and like a little spatula on the other end. I say it's a spatula, but it's just like a flat side so that you can smooth out your brows. I don't really like doing eyebrows with pencils anymore. I don't know, it just comes off too dark, and I just want to go for more of a natural look. So I decided to get those two products. Also, the next product has been pretty popular, and I just picked it up because honestly, whenever I film my videos, I feel like you can't ever see my eyelashes in them unless I wear mascara, and I don't like wearing mascara. It makes my eyelashes crunchy, number one, and number two, I just hate taking it off. So I went ahead and got the multi-peptide lash and brow serum from The Ordinary. It's this one here. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and hearing positive things about it. I do sometimes put oil on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows at night, but to be fair, I've been slacking on doing that for a long time, and then my eyelashes have been falling out a little bit, so I'm not really sure why that is. So I just picked this one up. Hopefully it will help grow my lashes to be thicker and longer, and then hopefully I just won't have to wear mascara anymore. Well, not that I do, but hopefully my lashes will be more visible in videos and it won't look like I don't have any eyelashes. So yeah, I picked this up. How much do you get in here? 5 mils. It's pretty small. It looks like it was bigger on the website, so I don't know. Got that. And then last but not least, I picked up this product because it's been everywhere and loads of people have been ranting and raving about it, and I needed a new one of these. I needed one that was gonna hold me down for a very long time, so I decided to pick this product up, and it's basically the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day, and it's just this. I'll open it up for you guys so you can see. I got the full size version. There was a travel size one, but this was definitely more value for money. Me and my friend were watching, like we were literally watching all of these things drop on Black Friday, and we talked about what products we wanted to pick up prior, and then we just went ahead and got some of them. So this is what it looks like. This is a famous thing that's been all over TikTok, Insta, wherever you look, it's been there. I really hope it works for me. I paid £20 for it. I think the normal price is like £26. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was £26. But I was just like, I'm not paying £26 for a simple setting spray when I can get one that is just a drugstore one that is going to be way cheaper. But since it dropped on Black Friday, I just thought, just pick it up. So I picked it up, and hopefully it will make my makeup stay. So that is it, guys. Like I said, it didn't seem like a lot, like I didn't go overboard. I think like this is all of the stuff. I think that I removed some stuff from my basket and I decided to pick those other products up in person. So I'm gonna go to Boots pretty soon and pick up some things, some other items that I needed. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye guys.